Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to connect mobile hotspot to another mobile. Suppose if you would like to create a hotspot from one phone and if you would like to connect that hotspot to another phone, as you can do it. What you want to do, first of all, bring one mobile and go to the mobile hotspot in your mobile. If it is Samsung, you can go to the settings, then go to connections and go to mobile hotspot and tethering. If other phones, it may be different settings, but you can suddenly go to the mobile hotspot and tethering there. Okay, and just turn on this button mobile hotspot and click over mobile hotspot, and here you can set a password for your hotspot. By default this password is used. Okay, if you would like to change password, you can here just select and delete available text and you can write your own text. Okay, minimum 8 characters is recommended. Only if you give 8 characters, then only it will work. Okay, suppose if you would like to get no password, click on security and select open. Okay, for easy connection for demo purpose I keep it open. Okay, and click on save. And yes, now bring another mobile and in this mobile you can connect this hotspot. So what you got to do, uh, in the another mobile, go to the Wi-Fi section, that is open notification area, and there you will find Wi-Fi option. Just click on it and long press on it so that available network will be shown. So this mobile network will also be shown. This hotspot will be available here. Okay, already this mobile is connected to local Wi-Fi, that is in our home Wi-Fi Durai 5G. This is the mobile hotspot Wi-Fi. Okay, just to click on it so that it will be connected. Yes, if it is open, it will be directly connected. If it is password protected, you have to enter password after pressing here. Okay, yes, now it is connected. In this way you can easily connect mobile hotspot from one phone to another phone. Okay, that's all friends, thanks for watching. Bye.